from South Korea, in association with Unicorn Denmark Limited, has introduced Papaya 3D Plus, a digital CBCT system with a 3D computer tomographic, panoramic, and optional cephalometric sensors. This CBCT system offers versatile imaging for accurate implant planning with its multi-focus function. The auto-swing system positions the appropriate sensor without manual intervention. The structure is optimized for safety, stability, and durability, reducing positional errors during scan and also cuts down on installation requirements. Papaya 3D Plus Triana software provides a bouquet of features such as 3D reconstruction viewer, 3D volume rendering, multi-planar formatting mode provides 3-plane view, dental reformatting, curved MPR, image color mapping, measuring tools, implant planning, multiple layout support, thus providing accurate clinical information and making the system an ideal choice for implantologists and radiologists for 3D diagnosis and treatment planning.